In math, we're going to be learning about rounding. Rounding is often used to help us estimate when we need to figure things out quickly. When I'm shopping, I often add the things together in my cart, but I'm only estimating because it would take way too long to add each one up. For estimating, we usually round to a multiple of 10. Remember, multiples of 10 are all the numbers you get when counting by 10, and we did lots of that back in the classroom. I'm going to take you to a number chart here. So on the number chart here, let's say we wanted to see, we had the number 46, and we want to see what multiple of 10 comes after 46. So after 46, if we were counting up, we'd go 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. So 50 would be the multiple of 10 after 46. Now, what if I asked you for the multiple of 10 before 46? So we would count backwards, 45, 44, 43, 42, 41, and 40. And as you see, the one after always goes up by 110, and the one before stays the same number of tens. When we round numbers, we want to choose the multiple of 10 that is closest to the number we are rounding. I think maybe this calls for Superman. Maybe he can help us out with this lesson.
Faster than a speeding bullet. More powerful than a locomotive. Able to leap tall buildings at a single bound. Look! Up in the sky! It's a bird! It's a plane! It's Superman!
You called?
Oh yes, Superman, good to see you. Today our grade 3s are learning about rounding, and I'm wondering if you can help us figure out how to round numbers.
No problemo. After all, if you remember me, my nickname is Supermath.
That's right. Could you show them how they would round the number 33? What they would round that to?
You know, in order to do this, I'm gonna need a number line. Now, I'm gonna need a vehicle. Here, we have a gas station. So let's say we're driving along. It ran out of gas. I have to push it to one of the gas stations. But I'm a busy guy, so I want to see how little of a push I can do. So, first, we should see where is 33, where it stopped, in between 30 and 40. How did we find this out? Let's count. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Where is 33 in between? That's right, 30 and 40. Now, let's see. If I go to 35, which is right in the middle of both of them, the car is on this side of me. The car is closer to 30. So now, I'm gonna pick it up and bring it all the way to 30. Now you can see, it stayed the same. We didn't go up, we stayed the same. Now let's try this again. Oh no! It stopped at 57. Now let's see. What is 57 in between? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. What is 57 in between? 50 and 60. Now, let's see. We go to 55. Which side of me is the car on? The side that is closer to 60. Now, I'm gonna pick it up and bring it to 60.
one for you. I think the students might have trouble with this one, and I'm wondering if you can help us with it. What if the truck ran out of gas at 45?
Okay, let's do that. It starts here. Now, as it drives along, it stops at 45. Now, let me ask you something. If you were driving and you stopped in the middle of your destination and your starting point, would you want to go back to your starting point just to go back to where you stopped? I don't think you would, right? So, wouldn't it be smarter if we moved up? But first, let's find out what 45 is in between. Let's see. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. 45 is in between, that's right, 40 and 50. So, if you listen to what I said earlier, we're not going to go back to where we started. We're going to go forwards.